iced coffee. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And for today, I will be just sharing with you what I've experienced during the Samsung Galaxy S26 launch or exclusive invite here in the Philippines. So I just came from the Samsung Galaxy S26 launch here in the Philippines. So if you're watching this video, it means Galaxy Unpacked is already starting or it's already started. And na-announce na rin ni Samsung yung bagong flagship model nila, which is the Galaxy S26 series. And as you know, every year we hear the same things like 200 megapixels, faster chip, improve or stronger AI processing. But if you're a creator like me, I think hindi yun yung question. The real question is, can this really replace tools in your workflow? And that is the one that we are answering in this video. So if you are looking into highly spec details about the S26 series, then this video is not for you. We're looking at on a content creator's perspective. So they talked a lot about the performance. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, redesigned vapor chamber, which means better thermals, with a memory of 12 to 16 gigabytes and storage from 256 all the way up to 1 terabyte. Also, super fast charging 3.0 is here. So it means from 0 to 75%, you will only need to charge it for 30 minutes. And for the colors this year, the hero color for the year is the cobalt violet. Then there's the usual white, black, and sky blue. Personally, I like the cobalt violet and the sky blue. So hopefully, I can try it. Samsung, baka naman. But as creators, we don't shoot for just 10 seconds. We shoot for reels na tumatagal ng 1 minute all the way up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes pa nga. Plus, we edit on the go. As a content creator, peak performance is nice, but sustained performance is everything. So during the presentation of Samsung, dito ako pinaka naging interested. Super steady video recording. The presenter was exaggerating the movement of the camera. Parang ginaganyan niya talaga. And then when you play back the video, naka-stable pa rin siya. And of course, may micro jitters because nga sobrang exage naman yung pag-move nung camera na hindi ka naman ganun talaga mag-video, diba? Pero it was exaggerated enough to deliver the point na very stable yung video ni Samsung S26. If you shoot handheld, this really matters, which is very welcome by a lot of content creators. The less gear that you bring, the better. Because that means maybe you don't need to bring a gimbal every time. There's this nightography booth as well. I wasn't able to try because of the limited time and also there were people testing it as well. But most of the time you shoot indoors like in events, cafes. Having that feature is really important because it can get more light and less noise. So this feature is very much welcome. What I like also about the video capabilities of this camera, it can record up to 8K 30 FPS. So imagine that. It also has different kinds of AI features that will help in the photography area as well. So it has advanced selfie features. There's photo assist as well wherein they took a picture of a piece of cake na nakagatan na and then they capture it and then they prompt it na maging fix yung piece ng cake na yon. So nag-generate siya to a piece of cake na hindi kagat. You can turn back time using this feature. What I also like about the software, it has Creative Studio wherein you can create stickers from scratch. May mga iba pang software and AI features na hindi ko na na-include. Yun naman, hindi na siya related into content creation. So, watch other videos na lang regarding those. Next feature that I really like is the privacy display. So, gone are the days na you need to put tempered glass na may privacy so that the other people will not see what you're looking into your phone. So this one has a built-in privacy display, meaning you can turn it on or off depending on the need. For example, as a content creator, sometimes or most of the time we sign NDAs or contracts for our content. That feature is very important. So you can turn it on while reading the agreement while you're out and about, and hindi ka mag-worry na may nakakabasa nung binabasa mo. So that peace of mind is very, very underrated. As I've said, gone are the days na you need to buy pa a tempered glass na may privacy display. So this one is already built in. For the camera specs, of course, we will tackle this one because this one is very important for us content creators. So yes, the numbers are big. 50 megapixels ultra wide. It has 200 megapixels main lens, 50 megapixel telephoto or optical zoom lens, with a front camera of 12 megapixels. This is for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, mainly no mga features na sinabi ko, but also they will releasing the S26 Plus and the normal S26. For the pricing, I will be just sharing it in the description down below and check nyo na lang doon. The Galaxy S26, hindi siya yung sobrang flashy, sobrang groundbreaking nung designs and features niya. But it feels refined, meaning na-master na kasi nila yung S20 series, no? And on this time, the S26, na-refine pa nila. So again, if you're a creator who values stability, workflow, and speed, then this might be one of Samsung's most balanced release for creators. Again, hindi ko sinasabi for creators yung S26, but looking at it from the content creator's perspective, I can say na you can use this as your tool to add to your workflow in content creation. The less friction, the better for our workflow. So again, thank you Samsung Philippines for inviting me during this launch. And I'm really excited for the release and the announcement of Samsung Unpacked this week. So again, thank you Samsung Philippines. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.